In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect your YouTube live chat to your Restream. So log into your Restream and click on create new stream. And here you can select any of the live stream option. You can select Restream Studio, you can select encoder option, or you can select video or playlist. So in my case, I'm selecting here Restream Studio to make a live stream. Once you are in your stream studio, here click on channels and click on add channels. And from this list, you have to find out YouTube and click on YouTube to connect your YouTube account with Restream. Once you successfully connected, from this channel list, you have to find out YouTube and then enable YouTube, because we are going to make a live stream to our YouTube channel from Restream. Then click on this close button. And now all you have to need, click on go live. It may take some moments to connect your Restream live with your YouTube. Once live started, in this right hand menu, you find this chat option. Just click on chat. And here click on this chat drop down and select your YouTube channel. And you have successfully added your YouTube live chat box to your Restream. Now I'm just going to my another YouTube channel to send some random messages to this YouTube live video. So here's my live video. I'm just opening the live video and here we can see the chat panel. Let's send some random messages. And then I'm going back to my Restream dashboard, and here as you can see, all of my YouTube messages are showing directly on my Restream. So that's how you can actually add or connect our YouTube chat to our Restream. Thanks for watching.